What if your LinkedIn account posted every single day without you touching? No waking up early to write a post, no staring at a blank screen trying to find the perfect words, no hiring a social media manager for $1,000 in a month. In this video, I'm going to show you exact AI automation system I built that write post, generate a professional image, and publish it to my LinkedIn account automatically every day at 2 p.m. And I built the whole thing in n8n for free. Stay until the end. I will show you exactly how to set this up to yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I'm Tariq Usmani from Smart AI Workplace. We help entrepreneurs and freelancers automate their business using AI tools. I built what I call Smart AI LinkedIn Content Engine. It will automatically generate the post and write the content. It will automatically post to our LinkedIn profile. It will read your content plan from Google Sheets, write a LinkedIn post using Llama 3 AI, generate a professional image using Leonardo AI, post everything to LinkedIn automatically, update your Google Sheet. Zero manual work. Let me show you the problem first, then the full solution. Here's the truth that nobody talks about it. Consistency on LinkedIn is everything. The algorithm reward people who post regularly, but most business owners, they post maybe once in a week. Why? Because creating content is hard. You have to come up with the topic, write the hook, write the post, find an image, write the hashtag, schedule it, then do it all again tomorrow. It takes 30 to 60 minutes per post minimum. If you are posting 5 days in a week, up to 5 hours of content work every single week. That's time you are not spending on client work, sales, or growing your business. I was in the exact situation and I decided I was done doing it manually, so I built a system and today I'm sharing with you. Okay, let me give you the roadmap of how this works. This is the Smart AI LinkedIn Content Engine inside n8n. It has 10 nodes and it runs automatically every day at 2 p.m. Here's the flow at a high level. For the trigger, we use schedule trigger every day at 2 p.m. It's run. And the second node is Google Sheet node. It reads the content topic from our Google Sheet, send the topic to Llama 3.3 and get back a full LinkedIn post. A JavaScript node formats the post and build a smart image prompt. Leonardo AI generate a stunning professional image based on the topic. The image gets downloaded and uploaded back to our Google Drive, and then it will automatically post on LinkedIn. The Google Sheet row updated to post it with the live URL of LinkedIn post. Everything is tracked, everything is automated. Let me show you how you can build it step by step. And for this, we need a new workflow that I already create once. You can create in here, click and create a new workflow. For the sake of demo, I have created this one. It's an empty canvas of n8n. For the first node, we have to add a schedule trigger. In one day, it will run one time. In here, I will select the timing, 7 a.m. It will run automatically. And then I will add a Google Sheet. This action will be added. Get rows in sheet. It will automatically get a row inside of this sheet and automatically generate a post for us. And now let's configure our Google Sheet. In here in credential, we select our credential, and in here LinkedIn Content Planner. That this sheet name is LinkedIn Content Planner. And now let's add the sheet, sheet 1. In here we can add a filter which row it will get the data from. We just need one row that the status is pending. Let's add in here the status row and pending. It will pick all those rows that the status is pending, and let's hit the execute step. You can see all 25 items it's picked, but we need just one row. For that we add an option on this one, return only first matching row, and we on this button, and now when we execute, it will get just this one item. row number 6, that the status is pending. And this is the topic category, and it's a educational topic. Also for the hashtag, I already added, and also the status, you can see it's pending. After that, we need to add an HTTP request for Llama 3. For that, we hit this plus button and write HTTP. This is our HTTP request. For HTTP request, we have to come to Grok platform, and in here we can generate a API key that I already have once. Let's add another one that see it's working or not. You can see in here we can have access for multiple models, and this is our curl command. With the help of this, we can set up our HTTP request very easy. We copy this curl command and come back to our workflow. In here we click on import curl command. We import it. Now you can see we import our curl command. Just one thing that we have to paste our API key. We can remove this one and copy our main API key and come back here. After the beer, we hit space and then paste our API key. Now you can see our credentials are config. In here we use body request, send body request, body content will be JSON, and specify body also will be JSON. Let me change it to expression that we can see how we can add our topic. In here you can see the content. The content we just change this one, the content. I will add the topic from the left side to the main request. It will generate the post content and the image prompt about this topic. Now we will hit execute step. Now you can see the output will be all in one JSON. Now you can see this is our content and this is our reason that for which reason it will use. Now you can see it's our HTTP request is already set up, and now we will add a code node. For the code node we need to use JavaScript code, and now I will add some line of code. Don't worry, if you want to have this code, you can also generate it easily by ChatGPT or Claude. If you want to this exact code, I will link up below in description for the whole workflow. You can easily have access and get that code also. And now we will hit execute step. It will all format this content to 3 to 4 parts, like format post. It will the post that we use it to our LinkedIn, also the post body, and also the hashtag and the image prompt. That we will use it in next step. And now we will configure our image generation node that I will use Leonardo AI for that, and it's free. When you sign up for Leonardo API key, you will get $5 free credit that it will work for you more than 2 or 3 months, and it's very cheap. But I use free version. For Leonardo AI, also we add an HTTP request. For Leonardo AI, we need to come to this website, Leonardo API, and in here we will create a new API key, and then we name it like n8n demo. For Leonardo API, we just come here and create an API key that I already have one. This is my API key. Just we need to copy that, and in here for Leonardo API key we have to come in our HTTP request, paste this exact URL for generating an image. The method will be post. Also we have to change the method from get to post. For authentication we have to select generic credential, and for generic auth type we have to select header auth because we requested with the help of header auth. And in here we have to add a new credential of our Leonardo AI that the name will be authorization, and in here we have to type bear and space. We have to paste our API that we get from here, and we have to paste it in here, and then good to go. Save it and it will work. I already have configured it, and in here you can see Leonardo API. At the first we have to send a body request for Leonardo AI. The name will be content-type and the value will be application JSON. And now we will send a body request for Leonardo AI, and using in here we use JSON body, and let me change it to expression, and I will paste it in here that you can see. Let me remove it that you can see how easy it is and how it will work. For the prompt, we have to come in here, image prompt. We will grab it and drag it and drop it inside the double quotation. And then for native prompt, we have to grab this one, grab our native prompt and add it in here. You can see this is the whole request that the Leonardo AI will be received. When we click execute step, it will get us a generation ID that we use this one to get back our image. For the next node, we use wait node. While that our image is generated, we have to wait for 10 seconds and we execute this. Now we will wait for 10 seconds that our image will be generated, and then we will request it to get back our image. Now we have to add another HTTP request. We will add another HTTP request. The method will be get, and I will paste this URL. This URL is used for getting back our image, and after that URL I will paste the exact image ID or generation ID, because it will get back our ID, and we will add our Leonardo API key credentials. Now we will send another header request, and the name will be content type, and the value will be application slash JSON, because it will get back our JSON request, and now it's ready, good to go. Now you can see we have our image URL that we can go and check it. Now you can see this is our new image that created by Leonardo AI. Now we have our image. Now we have to download that image from URL to inside our workflow. And for that we have to add an HTTP request. We have to add HTTP request, and the method will be get. For URL, we have to come in here and grab our URL, image URL in here, and then we have to add an option, response type. We have to select this response format to file and data. It will get our data back in binary format. Now we will hit execute. You can see we have our image inside our n8n environment. Now we have to back up our image inside our Google Drive. We hit this plus button and type Google Drive. And here the method will be upload a file. Upload a file, we select our credential and also file name. We have to add in here our drive and also a folder that I will use root folder. Now you can see that input type and the resource will be file, because we upload a file. The operation will be upload, and the data we have to copy this exact name to inside our input data field name. And also for the name we have to click on schema, and now from our second node we have to drag this topic in here, because it will rename it automatically to inside our Google Drive. And now we will execute. Now you can see it's automatically saved inside our Google Drive. Let's check this out. Now you can see it's automatically saved inside our Google Drive. For the next node, we have to upload this post inside our LinkedIn. We have to add LinkedIn node, create a post. In here, we have to select our credentials, and the resource will be post, because we create a post. The operation will be create. When you add your LinkedIn credential, it will automatically your account show in here. For the text, we have to come back to code node and grab this one and paste it here. You can see now you can see all the formatted posts that we can easily post it inside our LinkedIn account. And for media, we have to add an image, and the image we have to one thing more that you have to every time you have to focus on it. Input binary file, we have to add the name of our binary file inside right here, the exact name. And now when we hit execute step, it will automatically post inside our LinkedIn profile. Now, for the next note, we have to add a Google Sheet note and append a row because it will automatically append some options in our row. We will select our exact Google Sheet and also the sheet. It will automatically map it, and we will come back in here. With the help of this, we will filter our sheet, Google Sheet, and now you can see we just have to change this to post it. Generated post, we have to grab this one from here to here. And also the LinkedIn will automatically update the post URL. And now when we execute this step, now you can see it's automatically update our post and status is posted. And this is our full content of our image that and this is our full content that generated by AI. So, what does this actually do for your business? Hold up fingers for each point, make it visual, time saved. Instead of spending 5+ hours a week on content, you spend maybe 30 minutes just planning the topics in your sheet. That's it. Consistency. LinkedIn rewards accounts that post regularly. This system posts every single day without fail. No sick days, no writer's block. Quality. Every post is professional, every image is custom generated for the topic, and your brand contact is always included. Cost. Grok has a generous free tier. Leonardo AI starts from just a few dollars. n8n is self hostable for free. The whole system costs almost nothing to run. Show your LinkedIn profile or a screenshot of recent posts. These are real posts that this system generated and published automatically. Consistent branding, professional images, real engagement. And I didn't touch any of it manually. Now, how do you get this for yourself? Option 1, you can build it yourself using this video as your guide. Pause, rewind, follow along. Everything I showed you is here. Option 2, if you want the ready-made workflow file, the Google Sheet template, and a step-by-step setup guide, I have that available. The link is in the description below. Option 3, if you want us to build a custom automation system for your business, not just LinkedIn, but email, lead generation, client onboarding, reach out to us directly. Look at camera, pause for emphasis. Our email is info@smartiworkspace.tech or visit www.smartiworkspace.tech. We work with entrepreneurs and agencies who are serious about scaling with AI automation. Drop a comment below. Tell me what's the one task in your business you'd love to automate. I read every single comment and I pick topics for future videos based on what you ask. That's it for today's video. If this gave you value, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. We're covering more n8n automations, AI tools, and business systems that actually make a difference. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.